Are you ready to create one of the trendiest transitions in the game right now? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Corey from CNS Media, and today we're going to be diving into the paper collage transition. Mixed media right now is super popular within the creative world. It has this really interesting look and it has people wondering how the heck he even did that. So let's dive into Premiere Pro and get started on this transition. First things first, you're gonna wanna have the photos picked out for this transition. Once the photos are imported, stack them in your timeline, but we'll be offsetting them by around 4 frames. So it looks like a new piece of the collage will appear as the transition happens. Next thing we're gonna wanna do is import our paper textures to help really sell this effect. Click the link down in the description to download some free paper textures for this transition. Put one of the paper textures above your first photo, and in the effects controls, change the blend mode to screen and scale it to the size that you want for your photo. Next, you wanna nest together the photo and the texture and use the pen tool to make an outline around the photo of how you want it to look. Make sure you keep your feather at 0% for a harsher edge effect to really sell the collage look. Next, you're just gonna repeat this step with all your other photos using different paper textures just to give a bit of variety in this transition. Now that we have all the photos and textures stitched together, we will now start building the transition. Feel free to build it however you like by moving the nested sequences around and the effects controls using the position and scale function. To really help sell this effect even more is adding some tape textures, so it sort of looks like the photos are being taped down into position for this transition. So let's start adding some tape around the photos, but we won't go too overboard with it. You still want to see the photos in your collage, and once you find the correct position for your tape, nest it with its corresponding pictures. Just how we had each photo pop in sort of at different times, we're going to want to adjust their endings. Randomize this however you see works for your collage. Once you're happy with how you have your transition, we're gonna nest everything together and in the effect controls, add either a zoom in or a zoom out by using the scale function. And there you go. You've now just made your very own collage transition all within Premiere Pro. Super simple and super spicy. If you've learned anything new from today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe as I'll be releasing some new videos in the near future. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.